Welcome to this video series introducing the Digital Academy, the innovative online platform that brings together the academic opportunities offered by the FORTHEM Alliance European University. Get ready to explore our way of learning, connecting and growing together. In this video, we will explore how the FORTHEM Digital Academy works, how can users get access to it. The Digital Academy is designed to be simple and accessible for all FORTHEM members. It allows users to browse the entire course catalog and enroll in just a few clicks. No complicated steps, no barriers. For FORTHEM staff, it offers powerful tools to share courses across all 9 partner universities. You can open a course to the whole network or limit access to selected participants. I'll walk you through how to manage private courses later in this same video. Let's take a look at how to browse the catalog. The course catalog is always kept up to date, so you will always find the latest offerings. You can search for courses by name, add them to your favorites by clicking the star icon on the course page, and apply filters as knowledge category, activity type, the university offering the course, available languages, possible available subtitles. This is how the catalog appears with its filters. Regarding the type of activities, we highlight 2 key distinctions: synchronous and asynchronous courses. Although Moodle is optimized for asynchronous courses, it is also useful for synchronous ones. In synchronous contexts such as team teaching experiences, Moodle can be used to organize activities in a single calendar, to include meetings via direct links to Teams or Zoom, or use Moodle's integrated video conference solution. You can share didactic resources and create quizzes, assignments, and evaluation surveys to collect student feedbacks. Once a course is selected, students can enroll. We offer 2 enrollment methods: open enrollment, where any member of the FORTHEM Alliance can enroll up, and private enrollment, where enrollment is restricted and requires manual authorization by a FORTHEM Digital Academy plugin administrator. This option is most common in synchronous courses, and each partner can have the support of a local administrator. For open enrollment, users are required to access the catalog from their local university's platform. After login, the user can choose the course and needs to accept the host university's privacy policy and click on Confirm Enrollment as displayed on the screen. After that, you just confirm your enrollment. Once enrolled, the course will appear with all its content. Let's now have a look at how private enrollment works. In the case of private courses, they are usually hidden from the general catalog, or they are displayed as synchronous courses. This means users cannot access them unless they are authorized. Each university is responsible for authorizing its own users by whitelisting their email addresses. But how do users even know these private courses exist? We promote them through our official website, as you can see here on the screen, and on our social media channels. The announcement includes all the relevant dates and details so interested users can request access in time. As mentioned in another video on this series, the term course includes an assessment. All FORTHEM Digital Academy courses that offer the possibility of obtaining ECTS credits include a final evaluation test. At the same time, since we are very interested in improving, also thanks to your feedback, partners are invited to submit a quality survey form to gather your impressions after you completed our courses. And we are very grateful for the time you will dedicate to this. As we come to the end of this video, we warmly invite you to join us in making this space even more vibrant and inspiring. For more information, feel free to watch the other videos in this series or reach out to us through our contact channels that you can see displayed on the screen. Thank you very much for your attention and goodbye.